Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be looking at HackerRank's practice problem number 5, which is Java output formatting. Alright, so this problem states Java's System.out.printf function can be used to print formatted output. And that is the purpose of this exercise. To get you started, a portion of the solution is provided for you in the editor. You must format and print the input to complete the solution. So the input is every line will contain a string, followed by an integer. Each string will have a maximum of 10 alphabetic characters, and each integer will be in the inclusive range from 0 to 999. So the output, we need to have two columns. The first column contains the string and is left justified and will have exactly 15 characters. The second column contains the integer and will have 3 digits. Now, if the original input has less than 3 digits, we have to pad it with leading zeros. So sample input has Java 100, CPP 65, and Python 50. So the output will be Java with the 15 characters and then 100. The CPP 15 characters, and then we pad it with the leading zero because there's only 2 digits. Same thing with Python. We pad that with the 0. All right, an explanation. 15 characters, and then the 16th character is the start of the integer, which is 3 digits. All right, so let's take a look at how to do this. Now, this is a lot of special characters, so if ever you needed to format a printf statement, I would just look up how to do it. If they ever asked this in an interview, I would just walk out. But anyway, printf, you can pass in arguments. So the first thing you can do is you can format it. So you can pass in a characters for formatting, and then you have your arguments. So in our case, we're going to do argument 1 and argument 2. So that's what our printf is going to look like. So let's start by building the shell of this. So System.out.printf. Okay, so we got to do our formatting inside there, and then we're going to pass in the string and the integer. So if you see here, S1 is your string and X is your integer. So that will be the second and third parameter. Now for this formatting, we need to I need to explain some of the characters used here. So the first thing that we're going to use is the %sign, which is used as a formatter, and it basically tells the printf that, hey, we're going to start formatting here. Now the next thing we're going to do is a -sign. So -sign is used for left indentation of the string, which it says here, or it says in the instructions that it needs to be left justified. So now it talks about the 15 characters in the string, and so now to do that we'll use 15s, which basically denotes the string's minimum field, which is 15. So next we've got to pad that leading integer. So leading zeros on the integer. So all we do is throw a 0 in there, and that will take care of the padding. And then we need to define the integers, which is this. So 3D. So 3 digits for the integers denotes the integer's minimum field width. And then finally, we need to do a carriage return or print a new line, and so we use this, which is %n. So now that that's all clear as mud, let's build it. So the first thing we're going to do in the printf is say, hey, we're going to use a formatter. Now we need to left justify it with the minus, and 15s is going to be the string's minimum field length. And that takes care of the string. So now we're going to do another formatter, and we need to pad the leading zeros and 3D for the integers. And then finally, we need a new line. And if that's all well and good, let's get rid of this. It's not going to like that. And run this and see what we get. Hey, what do you know? work the first time through. So here's our formatted output. Now if we submit this, and it does. 4 test cases pass. All right, so there you have it. There are other formatting options for the printf, and if you want to learn more, you can look that up, Google that, but this is the solution for this problem. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.